6 Product advantages of 3-way catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press. 1. 3-way catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press roller adopts high hardness material, wear resistant and durable. The equipment can press the ternary catalytic hydraulic dry powder into balls with high yield and high hardness. 2. 3-way catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press. Low energy consumption, simple and convenient maintenance, a multi-purpose machine. 3. 3-dimensional catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press material extrusion effect is good, high pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. 4. The roller surface of the 3-way catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press is made of synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long service life, and wide selection range of roller diameter. The equipment can also design the roller diameter and the whole machine power according to customer needs. 5. Double shaft reducer structure is adopted to improve the precision of the roller, and the gear adopts hard-tooth face gear to improve the performance and life of the reducer. 6. The ternary catalytic hydraulic dry powder ball press adopts pipeline transportation to transport the ternary catalytic hydraulic dry powder in the dust collector bin to the equipment storage bin. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.